Hello students, uh, today we are going to see a problem based on parabola, a method of construction of a parabola using rectangle method. The problem statement is construct a parabola in a rectangle of size 80 millimeter by 60 millimeter. So this is a rectangle method of construction of a parabola. So as the name state, it is a rectangle method. So here we will use a rectangle for the construction of a parabola. Size is given 80 millimeter by 60 millimeter. So of that given size, we will construct one rectangle. This is a rectangle of size 80 by 60. So 80 is the length of the rectangle, it is the horizontal distance, and 60 is the height or width of the rectangle. The next step, draw one vertical line passing exactly through the center. Draw one vertical line passing centrally. Let name that point as point O. Name all these corner points as A, B, C and D. Let this point, name this point as O3. Or you can also name as O1. Now divide the line segment AD, O1, O1B and BC in equal number of parts. So to divide in equal number of parts, for example, distance AD, we have to divide this segment into equal number of parts. Say here we will divide into 4 equal parts. Each part will be of 15 millimeter. Here you can use any method, any preferable method. So we are dividing segment AD into 4 equal parts. Each part will be of 50 millimeter length. Then divide segment AO1 into 4 equal parts. Already this distance is 40 millimeter. So each part will be of 10 millimeter in length. Same thing you have to repeat O1B, and the same thing you have to repeat for side BC also. Let's name all these points as 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So all these names we are giving or numbering we are doing for our convenience. The next step that you can do is, through all the points along the horizontal line, you have to draw vertical lines. Say these 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 points, you have to draw vertical lines. And at the same time you have to join point O to all the points on these horizontal lines 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Point O1, O2, O3. Repeat at the right side the same thing, O1, O2 and O3. Now the last step is to get the point of intersection. O1 slanting and vertical line of 1 will intersect at a point. O2 slanting and vertical of 2, O3 slanting, vertical of 3, the same points at the right side also including points A, topmost point O and the point B. All obtained points you have to join using a smooth curve, either freehand or using French curve, to get our final curve parabola. So dear students, this is a rectangular method of construction of a parabola.